This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making Eyes of Ender. Craft at least 12 so you can find stronghold locations reliably. Once done, keep spare pearls and blaze powder. Make more eyes on the fly because they break roughly 1 in 4 uses. Equip 1 eye in your hotbar and hold a compass-type inventory slot for quick throws. Make sure to pack blocks and food. You'll follow a path, so mobility and healing matter. This first step gets you moving toward the portal without wasting. You now track the stronghold by throwing an eye and following its flight. It points to the nearest stronghold for a reason. Once done, walk straight in that direction and make note of consistency. If eyes bend, you're nearing a chamber. Make sure to mark your path with torches or blocks every 20 to 30 meters so you don't circle. When an eye sinks into the ground or points sharply downward, stop and switch to careful staircase digging. Be ready for cave systems and mobs. You finish by locating the portal room and placing eyes into the frame. Each frame needs an eye, usually 12 total, to activate the portal. Once done, position yourself to approach each frame safely. Because silverfish and mobs spawn, clear the room methodically, then fill frames while standing back so you avoid accidental falls. If an eye breaks, make sure to carry 3 to 5 extras. This one key troubleshooting tip keeps you from getting stuck without enough eyes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.